Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will speak about how to book an intercity ride on Uber. An Uber intercity trip is a ride requested through the Uber app to travel from one city to another within the app's service area. Intercity rides can be useful to go from one city to another. So, to book an intercity ride on Uber, you have to open the Uber app as you can see in the screen. In the home section, you will get to see Intercity option. Tap on the Intercity. Now, in the Where to section, type in your destination. Select Intercity from the suggestion bar. Choose round trip or one way. Then you have to tap Find Rides to find your ride. So that is how you're gonna book an intercity ride on Uber. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.